After completing the anterior and medial compartment of the thigh region, today we are going to discuss the posterior compartment of the thigh. The posterior compartment of the thigh consists of three individual muscles, and they are collectively called the hamstring muscles. These muscles are semitendinosus, semimembranosus, and biceps femoris. Semitendinosus muscle arises from the ischial tuberosity. It is inserted at the medial surface of the superior part of the tibia bone. Semitendinosus flexes the leg, extends the thigh, and also rotates the leg when the knee is flexed. Semimembranosus muscle arises from the ischial tuberosity. It is inserted into the posterior part of the medial condyle of femur. Its functions are similar to the semimembranosus, which are flexion of the leg, extension of the thigh, and medial rotation of the leg when the knee is flexed. The biceps femoris muscle has two heads, long head and short head. Look at the long head. It arises from the ischial tuberosity, while the short head arises from the posterior side of the femur bone, and they are inserted collectively on the lateral side of the head of the fibula. The function of biceps femoris is the flexion of the leg, and its lateral rotation when the knee is flexed. Remember, dear students, that all these muscles are supplied by the tibial part of the sciatic nerve, except the short head of biceps femoris, which is supplied by the common fibular division of the sciatic nerve.